Dog, huwag kayo mag-random win.
Kami
May mispil sila.
bailing sila, bailing.
Go, 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 catch, 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 catch. Mga brawler natin, catch brawler, go, 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 brawler, go, brawler. Andiyan na yung DPS ko, andiyan na yung DPS ko sa likod. Ready to boots up, ready to boots up, ready to boots up.
Ready.
Going to engage at east, going to engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clap here, big clap here, big clap here, big clap here.
At least kill one. Defensive.
Go, brawl them now. Nice. Go, walk up. Touch yung ano, nasa west.
No.
We're going to, we're going to fight this. I mean, clap, at the west.
Kishandal, eto na lang sa likod mo. Ito sa likod, dalawa.
Ito nga nasa likod ko.
Win.
Nice one guys.
Follow Kowalski. Keep rolling.
Sarap.
Nice, good shit guys, good shit.
Good shit.
Sabi si Boss J, nilabasan yung ano. Galit si Boss J.
Kinyapin.
Nasa taas. Dito.
Okay, nice.
Catch.
Dalawa ng Boss J pala natin. Gago.
Kala ko nga,
Check ko si ano, si Gio. Catch this guy. Clap this Clap. Drop now.
Nasaan kayo bro? 6 fans?
Kill. Nice one. Good shit guys.
Bitaw
Drop.
mag-loot.
Grabe, loot! Ay, naka 120 ang spec!
Yawa, gamay ra sa unalot.
Expect yung looting.
Naka 120 ang spec.
Pre, chat nyo sila pre ha. Come back strong. Kalad. We fight
Yung
again.
ginagawa ng Chrono ba? Ano lang, nagagank lang.
May nagsabi pa kanina, why run? Pero oh my God.